Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy assures the agitating teachers' age condemnation. Kasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum organized a special prayer meet. Home Minister Lakmin Rimboy felicitates 7 Amlaram LA Constituency Academy Awards to 300 meritorious students. And MLA Macmillan Birsat lays the foundation stone for Vocational Training Centre at Nongstown. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy assured the agitating teachers that age condemnation will be given so that they can appear the Meghalaya Teacher Eligibility Test. Concerning the use of tear gas, the Home Minister has sought a report from the district administration what actually happened, since there are two sides of the story. Section 144 was imposed and they were not granted permission to march forward. A report was sought and action will be taken accordingly, said Rimboy. Meanwhile, the contractual teachers remain dissatisfied with the meeting between them and the Education Minister and have decided to continue their stir.
The contractual teachers have met me several times since past 15. And that time, I make ample clear that that is a reality. So kindly prepare for that, because it is a reality now. Because Section 23 of RTER has specified that appointment of the teachers for elementary education is as per norm prescribed by regulatory authority, that is NCTE. So NCTE has prescribed.
The Kasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum today organized a special prayer meet, praying together for good, to highlight the gravity of the issue related to the government's move to set up casinos in the state. KJCLF Secretary Reverend Edwin H. Karkangor said that the special prayer meet was held at the KJP English Service Church, Police Bazaar. He said the KJCLF noted the lukewarm attitude of the government authorities to the closure of the casino gambling industry and the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. The forum calls on leaders of different churches, organizations and institutions to support this movement, he added.
From his statements is that he is willing to listen. How much that is true, how effective that is up for all of us to see. But he has made that statement that he's willing to listen. We appreciate that, we welcome that, and we will convey to him and to those who are sharing the same concern.
In order to encourage students under Amlaram constituency, over 300 meritorious students on Thursday were felicitated with 7 Amlaram LA Constituency Academic Awards at Innoval Hall, Amlaram. The awards are the initiative of Home Minister and local MLA Lakmin Rimboy. While addressing the function, Rimboy said that as students, one should not stop seeking knowledge but to continue pursuing information beyond textbooks, and that can be done with the help of the internet. Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang lauded and thanked the teachers and said it is the teachers who shape the society and that the students receiving the awards is due to the teachers' hard work and dedication. DGP Dr. L.R. Bishnoi stated that in the last 3 years there are no NDPS cases in the area and lauded the community for achieving this.
Piliban encourage, piliban motivate, piliban aiman sim, yaki khon jongpi ba hakajing puli jongki, ba kiriban iyat sakmat hakajing puli, ba ndai ban ong yaki khon ba pet serang ba aparano. Ndai ban ong yaki khon ba pet lej ap masino, lane lej ap lang no. Pide ban ong I khon baki de ban lit school but baki de ban pendat ya ijing puli jongki.
Nongstoin MLA Macmillan Birsad on Thursday laid the foundation stone for the construction of the vocational training centre owned by the Nongstoin Social Service Society. Also present on the occasion were Reverend A. Nonglang Diocesan Administrator, Diocese of Nongstoin, and Father R. Landers Lingdaw, President NSSS. Among others, Father R. Lingdaw informed that the construction of the vocational training centre was funded by the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund 2021-22 at an amount of Rs 35 lakhs. Addressing the gathering as the chief guest, the Nongstoin MLA lauded the Christian missionaries' efforts and their contributions to the state and the country as a whole. Based on the complaint filed by the public and the taxi drivers of Joai, the district administration of West Jainta Hills had issued a direction on which the spot inspection was done yesterday to do away with the speed breakers. The inspection was done by the magistrate along with the district transport officer, traffic police and superintendent of police Bikram D. Marak. Based on the report submitted to the office of the Deputy Commissioner, the DCB Solia informed that 4 speed breakers at Latlabo area was removed. To uplift the talented youths of the school in football and to motivate them for development of proper skill in football, the RBP Higher Secondary School Nongpo inaugurated the Football Academy today. The Football Academy was inaugurated by the local MLA of Nongpo constituency, Meryl Bonds Aim, as the chief guest in the presence of the school principal, W. Radu, Secretary of School Managing Committee, Reverend D.R. Suiting, teachers and students of the school. Addressing the opening of the Football Academy's Aim lauded the initiatives taken by the school authority to launch the Football Academy and said he hopes that the Football Academy would be a platform for the students who are talented in football. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 23.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 15.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 73%, while it was 91% in the evening. The recorded rainfall was 2.0 millimeters. And the forecast says that moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy assures the agitating teachers age condemnation. Kasi Jaintia Church Leaders Forum organize a special prayer meet. Home Minister Lakmin Rimboy felicitates 7 Amlaram LA Constituency Academic Awards to 300 meritorious students. And MLA Macmillan Birsad lays the foundation stone for vocational training centre at Nongstoin. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.